That was my phone. All right, lock in. Lock in. Don't say what. Yeah, bro. Oh my, I forgot. No, no, no. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Market is about there, buddy. Hopefully we can avoid a lot of this chop from what a performance. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Markets are open. Markets are open. It's going to 617. You think good doing the silver long card low? I would wait to see if we get a little bit more of a dip. I would like to DCA if we ever go red on this. I got a position where I'm not willing to chase, but if silver does come back down, I will be DCAing. So I'll let you guys know. All right, we're back up. We're back up 10% on these silver longs, so for about $400. So not too bad. Not too bad. Bum, ba, boom. QQQ going for a little dump this morning. That's fine. That's okay. We still got this big old gap right here, so. Silver's dumping a little bit too. Ugh. Am I tripping? Why does it say QQQ chart look different than mine? I don't know. I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah. So we got some pretty decent price action. We got Oklo's up 17%. Oklo's up 17%, bro. W. Irene up 1.5%. Open Doors up 13%. SMR is up another 8%. Bro, SMR was a great trade. TE's up 2%. Oscar's up 5% after those ACA talks. EOS up 3%. Diesel movement this morning. Zeta, baby. Zeta is up. Zeta is up 1.5%. Almost eclipsing $24. Man, it's cold in my room. Dude, just make sure you alert that. I woke up, Chris Breezy. I woke up, Chris Breezy. First time on profit ever today? No. Open seems to be making a good run. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All righty. All righty. Silver up 2% today, not looking too bad. Once again, we are still up 8% on these. I do want a DCA, but I don't want to buy while we're up. Just don't. But I'd love to see us continue to push. I'd love to put a price target for SLV where we take trims up at $80, which is up 12%, and then 86, which is up 19%. But we'll have to see, obviously, what we end up getting. All righty. I don't know why this key level indicator like takes a second to work. Ugh. All right. What's up, everyone over here in the free YouTube live? How y'all doing? Open door and Zeta, baby. Yeah, Zeta's up 2.5% now, over $24. BE's up 2.5% now. Oklo still up 11. Open door still up 13. Looking good. Looking good, man. It's all looking good. What's up, Johnny Rocket? How you doing, cuzzo? Oh, all right. Okay, QQQ. Looks like we're gonna get a pretty decent price action day. Oh. Woke up, crib breeze. Oh, thank you, Golden Host. You're the GOAT, brother. Can't wait to toss that shit on. Can't wait to toss that on. Gonna look tough. Just sold my Zeta call expiring today. Nice, bro. Good shit. Wow, QQQ is exploding. What are we targeting today? Some profit, baby. Some profit. Some profit. That's all I want to see. Dude, QQQ, this is insane. Monstrous candles. Okay. All right. What are the options we're aiming for? Like always, we will wait until we get a orb break in one direction, or until we get something on the inside, but nothing right now. I mean, we are looking bullish pushing through this, but you know we could fill this gap and then continue lower. So I'm not gonna push anything here. What's the idea with this? I was looking for information on that and I could not find it. So hold on one sec. Oh, never mind. Okay. Damn, account's up 15% today. Silver is rallying. I'm up 14% on these again for $600. Yeah, that was no stress. Zeta's up again. Bro, my covered calls on Zeta, my covered calls are down 837%. It's only like $200, but still, it's just funny to look at. Went too far data with that, apparently. Bang, 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 bang. All right, boyos. Got one more 5-minute candle, and then we can jump in here. EOS is up 5% now. Zeta's up 3.5%. BE's up 3.5%. Nebius is up 2.5%. Bro, our shit is killing it, dude. We are killing the markets right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, bud. Oh, yeah, bud. Silver is up 2.5%. A little closer to 3. Rah, 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 rah. I would love to take some silver calls in a little bit if we break orb on silver. If we break orb on silver and hold the 5-minute, I would really consider taking calls. All righty. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Also, if anybody did not see last night, I am going to start alerting futures once I get my first payout. I'm targeting for that to happen before February. I would like to start alerting futures February 1st and onward. The only thing that I have to figure out right now is a lot of my plays are scalps, so I need to figure out how to, kind of work my way through that, as in sending out alerts, but making sure it's not too late, and then also sending out the exit and making sure that's not too late. So we might have to go live or something like that to trade that, but at the end of the day, we'll figure it out. So BE's up 5% now to 127. God damn, this shit is exploding. Just lost your funded, bro. What were you trading? What was you trading, bro? Bro, my Roth IRA is up 12% this year. 12% year to date. MNQ. Rip. Hey, if you did it once, you can do it again. If you did it once, you can do it again. Should it be Freaky Friday or Full Port Friday? I'm just kidding. No ideas. Full Port Freaky Friday. Freaky Full Port Friday. Got you. I'll work on that. But yeah, boys, if you didn't check it out. Go check out my stats from futures. I'm actually going to pin them in chat. So far, it's been pretty well. I'll actually send them into this chat. Wait, why will not let me do that? Whatever. Top dog, bro. 110% profit. Oh, Zeta's up 5%. Maybe you should have. Holy shit. Wow. Zeta's cruising, bro. EOS up 5%. BE up 6% now, 129. Oh my God. ASTS up 5%, Rocket Lab up 4%, Open Door up 15%, SMR up 9%. Wow. 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 Are you planning on taking profit soon? No. 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 My first trim is probably going to be at 32. I have 500 shares, so I plan to sell probably 100 at 32, 100 at all-time highs, and then maybe I don't know, man. Probably 100 at 32, 100 at 38, and then a bit more at 50. But I do believe that we go much higher. I mean, I think the company is just great. The company's great. They're growing. They're signing deals. I mean, what other company has a deal with OpenAI under 10 billion in market cap? I believe Zeta is just now breaking 5 billion. So yeah, 6 billion right now. But yeah. It is Friday, so we can look at other things if there is anything that does look good. But really, none of the hood looks decent. Gold looks good. Or sorry, Google, my bad. But yeah, we'll stick to QQQ here. We'll stick to that good old QQQ here. We are coming up on yesterday's high, so Sludger Zeta calls for 3 racks. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're definitely looking at the yeah, we're looking at the bullish side for sure. I mean, as long as things do stay bullish here, we'll continue to look at that, but bro, all my accounts are looking spicy today. All righty then. Got the motherfucking bubble gut. Same, bro. Same. Per usual. The bubble guts are Mando if you want to make money, bro. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm on the shitter right now. It's the best way to do it. Best way to do it. About to rig up the bathroom where I just have my computer. I'm just going to put my computer in the bathroom, low-key. Or I'm just going to convert my chair into a toilet. That one of the two is going to work. Either I put a TV right in front of my toilet or I bring the toilet to me. Or I can just dig a little hole in my room, low-key. Do it old-fashioned style. Toilet chair, I'm telling you, that could be lit. Well, you could probably sell that. How I made my living selling toilet chairs. Diapers. Oh, true. True. Keep me warm too. Is it too late to get in on EOS? I mean, yeah, we got in at $6 and $9 over here on YouTube. But I mean, it's still on a dip, so. Trump's meeting with Venezuela Machado. Bro wants to take her Nobel Prize. That's mine. Okay, this is opening price. We'll see if we bounce here. If we don't, I'm kind of switching bearish, but we'll see. I'm switch down to the 2-minute now. Kind of see wherever. I'm on load now. We'll start looking at puts here. Yeah, the news at 10. Yeah, 10. Wait. Is it 10 Central or is it 10 Eastern? That is important. It's at, yeah, it is. Fuck. Yeah, guys, we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. I'm not taking a trade 10 minutes before. Um, if anything, we'll just wait and we'll just follow the trade based off the ruling. But there is no reason to. Buzz, I got invited out to Miami to meet with some traders. Damn, bro. Where the hell my invite cut? No, I'm just playing. But yeah, this news comes out in about 15 minutes here, so 10 minutes. So I'm not taking a trade yet. How'd you get on that? Like what? The news is basically revolving around the tariffs. The Supreme Court's judging whether they're legal or whatnot. Legal is not the word, but you know what I'm saying. Judging if they're ethical or can stay in place and whatever. Double red folder news at 10. You can look on Forex Factor. Yeah, dude, I always fucking forget that. Oh, we should call Vix then. Get him on the phone. No, I'm just playing. There's a guy I've been talking to for a little bit now. He's been trading for 10 years, give or take, and they got some crazy ass setups and everything. That's pretty lit, bro. Yeah, Forex Factory on top. Yes, sir. D I'm only 20, bro. I got a spare fake for you if you need it. All right. I do almost want to scalp futures down from opening price down to or below, but don't think that's smart. Oh. Yeah, me and D Dot. Yeah. That's pretty lit. That is pretty lit, D Dot. All right, but yeah, realistically, we'll wait until 10 a.m. Eastern. Dun 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 dun. Whoa. You do any crypto? I own Ethereum, and that's really it. I'm gonna take a shit while we wait for the news. Chill. Damn, markets are a little jumpy right now. A little bit jumpy. Yeah, QQQ is a little confused right now. Silver broke orb. Assuming to the upside. Silver did. Want to see silver push up just a little bit more. Oh no, I was low key just. I'm low key just watching the charts. I wasn't really talking about that. I was zoned out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm I'm watching silver. I want to see silver push up out of this orb, and then we can maybe take a trade on it. But it's getting a really nice retest on the 3-minute. When you say silver, it's SLV. Yeah, I mean, yeah. It'd be SLV, and then if you're trading futures, SIL. Bacha. QQQ is pushing up here. 9 o'clock, we're getting that news. News should be coming out any second here. Alrighty, come on now. Now silver's just ranging. Dun, 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 dun. Ugh. Yeah, I'm just watching right now. There's really nothing much, so I'm just kind of fucking tired, bro. I'm honestly pooped, so I'm not. Oh, I'm trying to watch silver and M&Q at the same time. It's just taking concentration. I'm sorry. All right. Let's see. We'll continue to watch QQQ here. As long as we stay above opening price, we're bullish. We stay below, we're bearish. So right now we are indeed bullish. I just want to see silver push up. Just meditating right now. Similar, same. Right there with you. Oh. Yeah, QQQ is just in this chop bully. No ruling today. So what does that really mean? They're just not making the decision right now. All right. So does that mean we're gonna get chopped? Does that mean that we're gonna get some movement? What does this mean for us? We'll have to see. Just want to see us push up, man. All right. God, what are we gonna get here? Give me a push. Looks like QQQ does want puts. All right, come on. All righty. Yeah, let's see what we end up getting here. All right, I'll be looking at MNQ on this 2 minute here. Let's wait and see what we get. But I'm looking at the 617 puts. 617 puts. Looking at the 617 puts. All right. Yeah, we'll be going with 7 cons. But I'm still looking here. Still looking. I'm not in. But looking at QQQ 617 puts. We just got a bunch, but we are closing back in. We'll have to see. We'll have to watch and wait here on this 2-minute. If this 2-minute closes out, we can look, but looks like we're just indecisive this morning. What up, Spartan? Could just be looking to retest this fair value gap on the 2-minute here. Also creating one on the 5, but not feeling great about these right now with this price action. Pushing back up. Want to see a strong sell-off out of this. TP will be yesterday's low at 1708 or 17.8. Well, market is being choppy. Jeez, man. Come on. Ugh. Silver and QQQ are both being a little odd. Jesus Christ. This is some crazy price action. Some crazy ass price action. Holy. Back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. ASTS jumped. Yeah, 9%. Wow. Rocket Lab up 5. BE's up 4. Nebius is up 4. Zeta's up 3. Yeah. Jeez, bro. La da 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 da. Man, Freaky Friday's supposed to have good price action. What is this? We need the freak offs. Real. All right, let's see if we can get to orb high on MNQ here. Did he party at Buzz house tonight? Yes, sir. What a word, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alrighty, let's get back to orb high, and then we can look at calls. Let's just get out of orb here. How about that? Nobody wants to stay in orb. We are looking very bullish, but I just want to see us move up, man. Come on now. Come on now. Nebius is up 5% now. Oh my lord. I'd love to get a buy off the 2-minute fair value gap, but we'll have opening price and this fair value gap. But we'll see what we get. Bro, yeah, this market is chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Just waiting here. Yeah, this is boring. Give me some good price action, please. La la la. How's silver looking? All right, we'll see what happens here. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on, man. See if we can get a new high day on silver here. Bang. Bang, silver, bang. All right, silver is pushing. Pushing. All right, I swear to God, if we do not break this and retest, we do need to be very careful, though, because we have high of day and orb high, so we could easily reject off of yesterday's high. Sorry, boys. I was trying to get my 150 on this eval, or on my live, and I was stressing low-key. But that is my bad. But, you know, I gotta get those payouts, and QQQ was tripping, so that was where I was at with that. Sorry for, you know, sorry for that. But I'm up 150 and 300 in both my evals today. So nonetheless, we're chilling. All right, MNQ breaking that high. So is silver. Silver is rallying. Does open look good? Yeah, opens up pretty good this morning. All right, let's see. What are these silver calls at? These things got to be running. Silver calls are back up 17%, boys. This is why I was telling you there is no stress on these silver calls. These things will run right back to where they were. Silver is exploding right now. Like, I wouldn't even, dude. I actually like the way that silver looks. I'm going to wait for a 5-minute candle closure on QQQ. I don't like the way that, I don't want to take too long, but look at silver here. Silver is crushing it. So silver was I just took a quick scalp on futures for my own eval. What happened to that QQQ put? We never took it. It didn't follow our plan. All right, QQQ's orb broke. Y'all can get an entry here. I feel much more comfortable waiting. We have all day. I feel much more comfortable waiting to see how we bounce off of this, but I am looking at the 625 calls. Planning to buy 10. 625 calls buying 10. Buzz, do you see ASTS going back under 90? I mean, I do, but like not for long. I'm still bullish on ASTS. Y'all can get an entry here if you want, but I just don't want to get swept out here because we did stay below yesterday's high, so I do want to be careful. Okay, well, now I feel a lot better. I'm gonna look to get the entry here. I'm gonna get in on 625 calls. I got 10 contracts. I'm getting an entry right now. 625 calls. I got 8 cons at 0.86. Right now I am red on these, but I am in. The position is looking something like this. We pretty much got in at high. So we'll be looking like this. I'm down $10 right now, so you guys probably got an average better than I did. All right, I'm up $190, $190 here, $200. Take trims. Selling half up $190 here. Selling half. We're up big right here. 22%, 26%, guys. Take trims. Take trims. Take your trims, especially after yesterday's loss. Take your trims. These are up to 96 from 86. We're up 15% still. Stop losses at break even. Still up 18% here. Good trade, 20% again. Make sure you guys are taking your trims. We're up 27% here, boys. 27%. 30% here. 30%. Should get another jump here. 37% here, guys. Take another trim. Look to take another trim. I'm down to 3 contracts. Take another trim. We're up 36%. This is a great trade. Don't let it go red. 36% here. We're going to get another jump. 46% here, boys. 46%. 48%. Take trims. W, boys. W. We are back. Freaky Friday. Yeah, make sure you guys are taking your trims. I only have 2 contracts left now, up 45%. We're up 260 on the day. $43% here. My stop loss is now at 20%. That is going to be our stop loss. W trade. We're going to keep monitoring this. Stop loss is going to be at 20%. Whatever that is for you, make sure you guys get out at 20%. Up 300 on full out. Beautiful. Too late for an entry now? Yes. Yes, too late. Beautiful. 37% still. Full out up 380. Nice. Guys, we're up 50% here. Remember, we're getting out. 25% stop loss. All right, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Full out. Full out. Full out. 228 on that. I'll take it. I'll take it. We are now up 73% on this challenge for me personally. Atta boys. Atta boys. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Are we serious? I had the best entry of all time and never got filled. Ah, that blows. That blows. I feel for you, my kitten. I'm sorry. But W trade. You need to alert my full out. Freaky Friday, motherfuckers. Let's go. Let's go. Bang. All right, we still have a bunch of buying power. I'll look for an entry, but yeah, I assume that would be a we were just going to create a fair value gap there, but couldn't stay in that. Not after getting 50% in 5 minutes. I do think that MNQ will move, or QQQ will go higher, but I don't want to chase here. Still a great trade. Still a great trade. Let's go look and see if we can find an orb that's just now breaking. Possibly get into another trade here. Where is my large caps here, buddy? What was the latest one? Palantir, call it on Palantir. Too far gone. Meta is about to get a orb. Go watch Meta's orb here. AMD also looks strong. Zeta's up 5%. Good trade. Good trade. Everyone. Good trade. 67 people in the live, 67? What? All right, let me catch up here. Damn, who added me in the chat? I can't even see it. You got too many messages. Y'all going crazy. Y'all going crazy. Wait, why did QQQ alert a put? QQQ still pushing higher. I'm still very happy with that exit. I wasn't trying to push that. No reason. Oh no. Yeah, no reason to get greedy at all. At all. Yeah, MNQ looks good. Approaching orb for a few others, so it's not like we couldn't continue to see something come here. Pause. AMD momentum looks strong and steady. Yeah, I do like AMD if we break orb here. I'm not gonna lie. I'd be down to take this. See you, D-Dot. Have a good weekend, brother. Have a good weekend, bro. Good trade today. Good trade today. Did you pray today? Did you pray today? All right, we did get the meta call here. Meta is above its orb. We could take meta calls if you guys would like. Let me go look at these. Honestly, if there's ever a time to take meta calls, it'd be a Friday, so. We could take the 655 calls, I'm not gonna lie. You're still in QQQ? Damn. Let me check on that for you, sorry. I don't hate it, I don't love it. I don't hate it, I don't love it. I did not enter meta. I'll alert. I'm not loving it. I'm not hating it. I just don't want to chase anything because you have QQQ up a lot. This feels like deja vu. I said this last week when we were trading on Friday. But QQQ's up a lot, and I don't want to chase anything too much. Silver's up good too. Google's up. The meta call I don't hate, but I don't know. I would like to wait. I would like to wait. Damn it. Feeling shorts on MQ. Yeah, I just don't want to bet against the trend here. I don't disagree, but overall, I do believe that we will create this fair value gap right here. You got imperfect timing. I would take quick trims on that. I would just be careful. I wouldn't try and push them too far because you do have gaps down here. I would play it down to this gap right here at 624.22 at most. But how much did I make on that trade? I think I made 280, 228, 228, something like that. I don't know. I posted it in the 1 to 5K challenge. There you go. Who was in that? Matthew? Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro, Matthew. Brother Matthew? My guy. All right. Meta is looking pretty good here. Silver continuing higher. My silver calls are up 18% now for $709. QQQ pushing down. There you go. Yeah, see what happens on this. See what happens on this fair value gap. But I would. Let's see. What is it up? Nebius is up 7% today, boys. Irene's up 8%. Open Door's up 20% today. Wow. Wow, these M&Q shorts look good, brother. But I still have my AST at 105. I'll buy back in later. What you think? You mean sell, Claw? Like sell your ASTS at 105? Are we doing a reversal now? We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Too early to tell right here, but we are about to create a 15-minute fair value gap, so definitely is hard to say. No reason to push anything too much here. We're green for the day, so I want to see how we react off of orb. If we break through orb, we can take puts. If we hold orb, we can take calls. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, big point for QQQ here. Does definitely look like we're, rounding a little bit here. Later, Andrew. Have a good day, brother. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. All right, we're about to get this 15-minute. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. I don't want to sit around here too long, but bro, the portfolio is killing. Up 1,500 today in the individual, and then in the Roth we are up pretty nice. Up another 2% in the Roth. Yeah, our puts went crazy. Yeah, bro, good trade. Good trade. That was fucking ballsy. I liked it. Where were you seeing? What were you seeing for? Oh, I see. I got you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Bro's on his shit. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. We could possibly take puts if we do break back in here, but I do just want to be very, very careful because we are about to make this 15-minute fair value gap. I know this is definitely not a bullish look by any means, but And I am down to look at puts, but if we do, we're going to go lotto size with these. Okay, well, looks like they might leave without us. If we can get a retest on the 2 minute from, if we can get like a retest and break, if we can get something like this, then we can look for an entry. If we were going to take an entry, it would literally look something like this. Like it'd be so close. Where's a gap? Do we have a gap here? Yeah, I'd first want to see us retest the gap. So if we're going to do this, but it's hard because I don't want to break back over. So how often do you live trade? Every day. I don't want to say every day because I don't want to commit to that, but I've traded every day for the last month or so, except for 2 or 3 days. So as often as possible. But here in premium, you guys are getting at least 3 a week. At least 3 a week is my goal. At least 3 a week. Okay. We still do have this gap here, so it's just hard because this. I mean, while this does look great, and while I could almost guarantee that we do go lower. I don't want to play around with this gap because we could easily flip back bullish, and push higher. So, can we do a quick checkup on TE? Yeah, it looks totally fine. There's nothing wrong with TE here. Even if we drop below the support, like I said, I'm playing the DCA at 532 again, so I have no issue with a pullback. Still plenty green on the position that we have, so. Okay. I mean, here's that retest candle. I'll probably be trading this on futures, if anything. I probably will not be trading this on. I might. I don't know. I'm indecisive today. Okay, bet. I've been going through some stuff, so I haven't been able to join, but be back. Yeah, bet, bro. Hopefully I'll see you more often, but yeah, I'll be here, brother. I'll be here, brother, as often as I possibly can. Yeah, see, this is what I don't want. And I mean, even at this point, like we could still reject and turn lower. So it's like, this is just like you're at a point where you're kind of trying to do something, and I don't like trying to do something. If this 5-minute candle closes below, if we get this 5-minute candle close below, and then we create this fair value gap right here, I would be very, very interested on entering. Very, very interested on entering. If we can get this to happen. All right. I got out to secure it. Nice. Hey, good trade. If anything, we can get back in, bro. It's all good. Yeah, right now. Yeah. Weird market this morning, but. Oh, I honestly don't really do too much IFVG stuff. I really just stick to fair value gaps. Once it's broken, I delete it, honestly.